Hi.
Hi.
Alright, fellers. We are on the tail of the dragon. And we're heading home. And I'm gonna have to go quickly because we're both hungry.
So hungry.
And so, yeah. I think we've already gone through like the... No, never mind. Here's a border sign. Untreated road ahead. I thought we just drove this like yesterday. Alright, well. I'll just drive slightly normally until the tires heat up a little bit. I think last time it took us 13 minutes to get back. Oh, wow. Feels weird to come here and like not see people like parked at all the corners taking photos, or just like other cars here in general. I know there's a lot of normies. Do not pass.
I just don't understand the sporadic placement of some signs. It's like, really? Like, did you pass anywhere there's not that sign? No, I don't think so.
They probably just had to like sauce it in there to be like, yeah, we care about safety.
Right.
There's like nowhere to pass on this entire road unless somebody pulls over for you.
So why are they just peppered around?
Yeah, I don't know. There are a lot of normies here. I like how it's like actively getting dark as we're driving here.
Do you like it?
Huh?
I said, do you like it?
No, because my headlights aren't good.
But it was like dark yesterday.
We did, but it was not ideal. Like they're fine when it's facing straight, but it's like when I'm like going into the turn, like I've been here before, so I know that none of the turns are gonna be like too bad, but I definitely can't see them as well.
That's so good to know.
So much plastic creaking noises.
Yeah, we got a lot of crap in here today.
Yeah, the speed limit here is 30. I'm going 35.
Yeah, even the 30 seems pretty good.
I don't know if you felt the little like judder right there. That's like the electronics of the car stepping in.
Okay.
And so normally I would just turn it off, but I don't feel like it. Dip.
Yep.
Too much dip on your chip. Hey, a Corvette. And it's a Z06. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I'm definitely sweating. too loud.
It's a lot of jerking around.
A lot of jerking. Owner beats me. Do not enter. I mean, there's a... You can't even go in there anyway if you wanted to. It's a good thing there's a sign telling me that there's a turn coming.
I know. Don't pass.
Oh, I was thinking about it.
Okay, now pass.
I guess like this entire road is just a second gear kind of road. Ooh. You have service or no?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, okay. Oh, is he okay? Oh, he just driven up on the side here. Okay. How many minutes has it been since we started?
Oops. I don't know.
Okay, never mind.
Supposed to be the
No, I thought that's what you were checking your clock for.
No, that's okay.
You're right. I feel like my knees are gonna be sore from like holding my body in place.
Yeah. Yeah, my arm is definitely sore. I'm not doing anything.
I just brought us here to work out.
Gotta do something.
Yeah, my fingies are getting tired. Yeah. I mean, you can basically just stay in one gear for this entire thing, so
Yeah.
you could if you wanted to.
I'm good.
Seven. I think this is an 11 mile or something thing. Opening up a little bit, which means that we're getting towards the end here. Oops, there's a bad shift. Going on. All right, we're at the overlook, which means that we're almost at the bottom. What's better motivation to get out of here than being hungry? Yeah, I'm getting tired.
Yeah. You stay in all the same gear. I don't see you change gears.
Oh yeah. Well, I guess I don't have to, but it's just like I'm going up into the third so I can accelerate on the straightaways. Like here, I could go up, or I could just like leave it like that. I'm going to 3, and then now I get to shift when I turn. Right. a pretty fun run. My hands are tired and I'm sweaty and I'm hungry and I'm slightly hungover. So this wasn't the best run ever, but it was still fun. Hopefully you enjoyed that little tidbit right there of the tail, and I also hope that the GoPro didn't do too poorly in the low light, but still pretty fun overall. And for a stock car, the C5 handles pretty well for I don't know, being more of like a cruisy sort of car. But either way, it was a fun time, and I guess I'll see y'all in the next one.